If you've searched how to buy shares of China's CITIC Financial Asse H, this short guide explains the practical steps in a neutral educational format. China's CITIC Financial Asse H is a Hong Kong-listed financial services company trading on the HKEX under ticker 2799. HK. This is for educational purposes and not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy this stock, and we'll use eToro as the example platform to show the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform's search bar to enter the ticker 2799 HK and locate the correct listing. Always confirm the name, China's CITIC Financial Asse H, to ensure you selected the right asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Check the listed exchange and ticker on that page to confirm this is indeed the correct share. To place an order, tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review fees and order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or pending. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the platform example link, check the description below if you want to follow the same steps.